Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share some projects that I've been making. These are going to be like Valentine's kind of themed. So the papers that I've used was this one. It's called Lipstick Basics. Picked this up from the range. I wish I picked up more when I got it. I really like it. I think it's quite versatile as well. And it was only $2.24 and it's by Craft Sensations. And I'll just give you a quick flick through of the papers. I have shared this previously in a haul, so some don't have to be used like for Valentine's. So they're the papers I used. The first thing I'm going to share with you is this, and this is a little heart box. I think it was from like Poundland, and it had the little rose bath petal things inside. And I've just like altered it. So I altered the back. So it was originally, it's like a tin pink, and then the top was like a plastic top, but the base was like tin, and I just left the pink because I thought that went well with the paper collection and that. Put some papers on the bottom, and then I used this one on the side. I think that's really pretty, this paper. So I used that all the way around, and then I used this trim. And my friend Sue, who is Sue Kitten One here on YouTube, she sent me this. Previously, I think we did a swap, and she sent this to me. So I've used that all the way around on the lid, and then on the top of the lid, I've used some of this trim here. The back, I've used one of these like flower rosettes, and it's got little hearts on it. I thought that was perfect for this, like to go with this collection. I used the heart paper on top, and then these were just stickers. I think I picked these up from TK Maxx a couple of years ago, and they were just like Valentine theme. So I've put those on the top there, and then you open the top. That's the lid. So then inside I've just left it, so you can kind of see I've left it plain. I haven't done anything. It's like a gold inside. I've not papered it or anything. And then I've put some of the Crocheted Hearts that I did, and I have a tutorial on these, so I will link that down in the description box so you can check that out. So I just did 3 red ones in the bottom there, and then I did 3 of the pink. So that's going to go in there. And then for the base of the lid, I just use this again, those papers from the collection. It's got love written all over it with some hearts, and you have to kind of move the trim down in order to get this back on, because otherwise it gets kind of jammed in there because it's quite long. Yeah, so I'm really pleased with how that turned out. So that's the first project. Second project, I did a embellishment box. So it's this paper that I used for the back. I don't actually have, it wasn't from that collection, it was just some from my stash, which I don't actually have any to hand to share with you what collection it was. But the stickers here that spells out love, again, was from TK Maxx. Then some flat back pearls on there, and then I kind of did a little cluster here. So we got some what is this, felt hearts. Again, I think these were sent to me in Happy Mail. A wooden heart there, button, this little bow, a wooden key that I inked up in red, little butterfly there, and then a rhinestone heart there. And then I just used some twine, which again I picked up this from the range, and I've used that and wrapped it round the whole thing. And then on the back I've just put some of that paper. Again, I can't remember what collection that is from, but it just kind of matched everything perfectly. So that's that. And then this just slides out. So it's like a belly band. And then inside I picked up these boxes, containers, I think from the range, or they could have been Poundland actually. They might have been Poundland. So you just get 8 little compartments. In this one I've put some little red and clear hearts in there. I think they are, yeah, they've got, so you can, some have got like a hole so you can use them as charms. Then these are little puffy, I'll take them out and share with you. Some little puffy white and pink hearts in that one. Then in this is a little bottle and it's got some pink beads in there, and then some of this rickrack in a like vibrant pink trim, some paper clips, and then some of these little heart pins. So that goes in there like that. That's that one. I'll just put that down because I don't know if that'll close otherwise. In this one you got some other hearts, a silver and like a dusty pink, and they're quite like shiny, so like little sequiny things in there. Then in here is a load of different pink sequins, all different sort of shades of pink. In here you've got little rose in ribbon, made out of ribbon in red there. You've got these triangle, again great for shakers and things, sequins again in like a glittery pink colour. So they go back in that one. And then in the last one is some of these like little hearts, silver. They've got like little stones on this side, playing on that. Great for embellishments. So that's that, and it, like I said, it's just like a belly band, so it just slides back into there. So that's the second project. And then the last project is this. I picked this die. It's a die, it came from Amazon. I will try and link it if I can find it. So it looks like this. So it looks like this when it comes, and then you've got the middle piece there, and then obviously you cut out 2, and then when you put it together it makes this like little box with a handle. Again, used papers from that paper pad to make this. This little clothespin I had in my stash. I haven't, because obviously you can glue it down, like you could glue the handles together, or you could put glue here, but I haven't done that as yet, because obviously if I send it to somebody they might want to reuse the box, so that's why I haven't glued anything. On the front I cut out the panel, the extra piece that kind of comes with it, this piece here stitched. So I cut out that panel and a different cardstock and layered it on there. And then I had some of these little heart flat back rhinestones. I used a couple of those. I used this sticker that says love, and this flower and these leaves here I picked up when I did my Sizzix haul, and it's this one. So I used this flower here, so it cuts out the base. I cut out the base in one cardstock, and then you can cut out this layering piece, and I did that in a different cardstock. So that's that flower. And then I used this branch here. Like I said, they all come separately. If I just quickly show you in here. So this is the outer piece of that flower, and then that's the layering piece there, and then the that's what I used for the leaf. I just cut out 2 of those. So that's how I made that flower. I think it's really pretty, and that'd be great. You could cut out a load of these and use these as embellishments and stuff. So then you open this up, and inside I've put some shredded paper, and then I've made, I'm just going to take them out, some of these altered pins. Oh, it's got a bit shred all mixed in with it. So I picked up these pins again from Amazon. They came like this. They didn't come with the beads. I've just put those in. So they came with all the clothespins, but I've used all the big size. Like I said, they came in this container, and they had various different sizes in these compartments. And as you can see, I've used all the larger ones in now. But yeah, so I just put these together. I used some of the smaller ones as a little charm to hang off. I've used some of these, I think these beads, like letter beads, were from the works. These little beads were in my stash. And then these like clay beads, again, I picked up from Amazon. And they came in a set like this. See that? All the colours there. So you get a variety of colours in there. So that's the other beads that I've used. So that's that. Yeah, so I've done this one. It says sweet on there. I thought these would be quite nice to hang on to planners, or just add a little something to a project. That one says love, and it's got a heart bead there. And then this one says love as well. And then these on here, I don't know if you can see, these like flower sequins. I picked these up from the range, and they came in a massive bag like this. I think they were only £1, and you get loads in there. And I thought they make quite nice little beads. Like you can use them on charms and things like that. So I've used a couple either side there. So that's that one. And then this last one, I had this little ladybird charm, and I just thought that made a quite nice little charm on the end there. And this one says sweet, so I've put that on there. So then I've just put those inside there, and then close with this pin. And that's all I have to share with you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed these projects. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you in my next one. Take care, guys. Bye.